Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Disha Panchal with an update on India weather. Monsoon set to enter India, Mumbai on IMD yellow alert. Thunderstorms in store for Delhi. While southwest monsoon is set to enter India via Kerala around June 4, Delhi's brief spell of pleasant weather is slowly beginning to lose steam, with India Meteorological Department forecasting a gradual rise in temperatures. Weather activity is also intensifying across western India, where Gujarat, Maharashtra and Konkan Goa are likely to witness thunderstorms, squalls and scattered rainfall amid advancing monsoon conditions. The IMD on Tuesday said the southwest monsoon is likely to set in over Kerala around June 4, marking the formal beginning of the country's rainy season. Even as large parts of India are expected to witness thunderstorms, gusty winds and heavy rainfall through the week. Delhi and neighbouring northwestern states are likely to see scattered rain accompanied by thunderstorms, lightning and winds reaching 40 to 50 km per hour between June 2 and 6, the IMD said on Tuesday. The IMD has also warned of thunder squalls with wind speeds touching 50 to 60 km per hour, gusting wind up to 70 km per hour over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi till tomorrow, the 4th. Similar thunderstorms conditions have been forecast across Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, with isolated hailstorms likely over Jammu and Kashmir and Rajasthan till tomorrow, the 4th. Dust storm activity is also expected at isolated places in West Rajasthan. In western India, isolated to scattered rainfall with thunderstorms and gusty winds is likely over Konkan and Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada and Gujarat till the 6th. Gujarat and parts of Maharashtra may witness thunder squalls with wind speeds of up to 70 km per hour, with isolated hailstorm activity was also forecast over Madhya Maharashtra. Maharashtra's Mumbai and Pune were under a yellow alert for thunderstorms, lightning and squall today, the 3rd of June, while 5 districts Amravati, Kolhapur, Satara, Aurangabad and Jalna were under an IMD orange alert. Southern states are expected to remain among the wettest regions this week, according to the IMD forecast. Kerala is likely to receive isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall till the 8th, while Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Lakshadweep are also expected to witness heavy showers. Thunderstorms with gusty winds are likely across Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, with thunder squalls forecast in parts of Telangana and coastal Andhra Pradesh till tomorrow, the 4th. IMD placed parts of Kerala under an orange alert for tomorrow, June 4, the expected arrival date for southwest monsoon. That's all for this weather update. If you found this report helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest weather forecasts, monsoon tracking and weather updates from India and around the world. Thank you.